How to earn with staking. To start earning, go to BTSE's homepage and click on the Earn tab. On the Earn page, you can see all the Earn products that BTSE offers: staking, fixed and flexible, and lending. Click on Staking. To begin staking, simply choose the token you wish to stake. In this example, we'll choose DOT and select the desired duration. The annual percentage yield will be higher if you choose to stake it for a longer period. Click on Stake and enter the amount you wish to stake. An instant conversion is also available if you do not already have the coin. Simply enter the amount of the token you want to convert and click Convert Now to complete the conversion. Click Start Staking. That's it. You've successfully subscribed to BTSE's staking product. The staking dashboard offers an overview of the estimated interest earned, as well as the timeline of your staking period. Funds will be transferred from your spot wallet to your Earn wallet and start earning interest for you after completing the staking process. Note that when redeeming, funds will be locked up for 24 hours before you can use them in your spot wallet. Interest payout will not be received in the case of early redemption.